We just looked at configuring the production counts for our items in our production model on the north line here. Now we're going to take a look at setting or configuring the state tags for each machine on the north line. So first we need to add in the state for the capper. So I'm adding a new folder here called capper, and I'm going to go to our OPC browser, down to the devices, North PLC, line 1, here's capper, and I'm just going to bring the state over from the capper. So we'll get the current state of the capper there. And we already have the filler as a state and the case packer as a state. So I'm going to go up to the filler to configure that state. I'm going to click downtime. I'm going to select the tag to read, MES, packaging, north line, PLC, because that's where we're getting inputs for our OEE downtime, filler, and state. And I'm going to do the same thing for the capper, only we're going to select the capper state, and the same thing for the case packer. And I'm going to select case packer state. I'm going to go back to the filler, and I'm going to add a new downtime reason. So I will call this fault and reason code 2. And we talked about in the downtime section how codes 0 and 1 are reserved. And then we can start at 2 and go up. So when we read in a state of 2 on the filler, it's going to be just a fault, general fault, and we do want to record it as downtime. The operator's not going to select it. It's not a sub reason, and it's not planned downtime. And we will add outfeed backup. So anytime we read state 4, the outfeed of the filler is backed up, it's not recordable, and it's not planned downtime, and it's not operator selectable. Now I can take these and I can export them. And I could enter in many more. There's not a limit to the number of downtime reasons that you can add in. I'm going to go over to the capper and I'm going to say import reasons. So that if I have consistent reason codes or a common set that are fairly consistent, I can copy those between multiple machines here by using import or export. I can also copy and paste reasons between them as well. One other important thing that we need to do, and in the downtime sessions we talked about the downtime detection method, and right now it's set for line state. I'm actually going to change that to key reason. So that is going to look at the filler and then the capper and case packer and determine the reason automatically why the line is down. And we went over that in detail in the downtime sessions. So optionally, with key reason detection, we can select a tag for the line. That would go here. If we had a remote operator interface terminal, such as a panel view or something like that, we could select the tag here and it will pick up the reason that the operator selects on that panel view. And we can also have downtime reasons for the line. Now the line is evaluated first before it starts evaluating the individual cells. In this case, we're not going to configure the line. And then we do have these other two special cases. So run disabled reason code, that's if the operator comes up and hits end run on Friday night. They come in Monday morning, they resume the run. It's going to put this code in from Friday night to Monday morning. So let's say that's reason code 300. It's not going to be read from a PLC, and we have to add a reason for it. So we'll say run paused, and we'll put 300 in. It's not recordable. We're going to count it as planned downtime. You weren't planning to run. The operator went home for the weekend. And well, we could say it's operator selectable or not. Either way. So now, whenever the run's paused, it's going to use this reason code with those settings that we put in there for that. The other one is for changeover. And we go into more detail this in the sections on changeover. We won't cover that now.